It's an understatement to say that today's energy markets are disrupted. Consumers are paying prices that were unimaginable just a few years ago. And one consumer, a huge consumer of energy, is Wienerberger. They are the global leader in the production of bricks and roof tiles. And so when they approached Faktion with the question to optimize the energy usage at one of their production facilities, we stood up to the challenge. And so we received a data set containing sensor measurements, set points, but also data on the goods that were being produced at that moment in time. And our objective was to quantify how different drivers in this brick baking process were contributing to energy usage. Now, some of these are very straightforward. If you put a lot of bricks into the oven, it's going to use more energy. That makes perfect sense, right? But other drivers are more nuanced. And so we had plenty of knowledge sharing and back and forth discussions with Wienerberger experts to validate that any assumptions we made made sense. So eventually we built an easy to interpret model that was able to explain 93% of the variance in the hourly energy usage using just 9 well-engineered features. And because the model was so simple, it also allowed us to use the model weights to give those required insights into the relative importance of different energy drivers. And the model's predictions were used to identify moments in time where the oven was behaving strange or anomalous. So either producing much more or consuming much more energy or much less energy than the model would have predicted. And we also built and deployed a visual tool, especially for the process engineers, to detect and deep dive into those anomalies to find their root causes. And of course, improve their process going forward. So if you too have an energy intensive process to manage, make sure to reach out to us at faktion.com.